Hi, this is Patrick with a quick tip on preparing to add e-commerce products. The private catalog Import Products Import offers the fastest way to add or update large numbers of custom e-commerce products. The product import brings in basic product variant info and associates the product to the product group or page listing that contains related products. Products in each product group differ by color, size, trim, and more, and can be selected with drop-downs on the product group page. If you have less than 50 products, you may wish to add them from the private catalog interface. Use the link below or look for the Update Private Catalog Products and Product Groups by User Interface article at help.dealerspike-cms.com and the Help widget. First, let's download the product import file. Open the CMS, click e-commerce, go to File Center, select Private Catalog Import Products. There is a blue link in the Upload File template. Please click Private Catalog Import Products to download the needed file template. Open the downloaded file. Now, let's talk about fields. Don't start entering your data just yet. A quick note, if you are updating exported products and not adding new ones, column order is different on the export sheet. Each row on the import sheet represents one product, a variant within a product group. There are 4 required fields for a successful import. Blank values in other fields will not prevent the import, but will override existing values. Let's start from the top. Manufacturer name. Required. The name of a brand or manufacturer. Make sure to watch your spelling so that you don't end up accidentally creating 2 manufacturers with similar names. Examples of brand manufacturer include Sea-Doo, AFX, and Stillen. Product group name. Required. This field adds the product row to a product group. The import will create missing product groups. Typos or spaces in product group name may create additional unintended product groups. Be careful. Product group description. This shows in the product information on the product group listing. Include any important features and specifications for your product variant. Plain text will show, but we recommend HTML formatting for professional-looking descriptions. Product manufacturer part number. Required. The MPM from the manufacturer or original brand. A unique part number is required for each product. If you are updating existing products, the product manufacturer part number column is named Distributor Part Distributor SKU in the export file. Product UPC. You may use this field to add a UPC code to the product for your records. Product MSRP. Required. This is the default price for your product. Product size. Product size is found in the product group dropdown for products that vary by size. Enter numbers and units. Customers need to understand if this is a men's extra large vest or a 21-inch tractor header. Product color. Product color found in the product group dropdown for products that vary by color. Users can filter by color, so consistent naming guarantees they'll find red and not red in all capitals, red with a space at the end, or RD. Product option. Custom attributes found in product group dropdown. Use this for products that may vary by something other than primary color or weight. Common product options include material, accent color, quantity, but the sky's the limit. Product image URL. Accurate and detailed images are often the difference between a customer with confidence to buy and one that shops elsewhere. Product image URL accepts full URLs or the file name of an image added to the e-commerce media center. Multiple images can be added to each product by separating the images with a semicolon and no spaces. If you are updating existing products, please note experts hold media center images in a separate column named Product Image File Name. There are 4 more fields you may consider filling out. Aftermarket catalogs lack necessary information for weight and dimension-based shipping. However, you can make use of the EasyPost integration's weight-based shipping for private catalog products if you include weight and dimension information. when adding products. Dimension information must be entered in inches without decimals or text in the height, width, and depth fields. Weight information must be entered in ounces. Decimal weights are accepted by the import, but no further text should be entered. The remaining fields can be ignored for the purpose of your import. Let's go over best practices before filling out data. Be consistent with your attributes. Once you add an attribute, it will exist in the system. Consistent attribute naming helps users find your products and prevents exceptions from falling out of searches. Information like size, color, option, and especially manufacturer group belong in the proper place, not in the product group name. This best practice keeps your web store searchable and makes it easier to understand what you are selling in a product group. Don't include fitment in this import. E-commerce offers a separate import for fitment options. Confirm consistent product group naming. Use proper capitalization. Don't use all caps, it's harder to read. Make sure your entries do not have any trailing spaces that would cause the cell to be unique. Make sure your NPNs are accurate and only appear once. Items with duplicate NPMs will not import. Items with incorrect NPMs may be hard to find for your team later. You should be ready to fill out the sheet now. This has been a quick tip. Thank you for your time.